Somebody in Berlin wants to send money to their mother in Izmir. She has a phone that is the wall list. Every other way asks her to do the hard part and app to install, an account to open, a price to keep safe. Lumenia moves all of the info onto the sender site. Here is a real link made just now, nothing installed, nobody sign up. The money is one on screen before anything is asked of her. One tap and it is hers. Behind that tap, a key was made on her phone, an account was created, and somebody else paid the fee. She was told none of it because none of it is her problem. So now the question everyone asks: what if the link reaches the wrong person? So a money link is like cash in an envelope. Whoever opens it has it, so you can put a password on the link itself. Watch a different browser, the money visible, a wrong guess, refuse it on the spot. That happens on the guesser's own device. The password is not a box we tick on a server. It is part of the key. The right password and the money moves. Just send the password some other way. In the same chat as the link, it protects nothing. So where is the key? On her phone encrypted. No Lumenia account is holding it. The address is public and you can check it yourself. Download the phone. You tap Face ID, not a login. A passkey makes a secret only that phone can make, and it does two jobs. It finds your backup and it opens it. Nothing typed. We hold that backup and we cannot open it. Money coming in collects one belief. Exchange ask for a memo because thousands of customers share one account. Yours is yours alone. Leave that box blank. Going out is where money gets lost. Wrong network and it names the one you copy it. No thank and it refuses because that tag is all that separates your deposit from a stranger's pile. And when you want lira, we say what it costs today, two accounts, a waiting period, rules that are not ours. Your money is never ours. If nobody claims your link, it comes back after 7 days. If someone does, it is theirs exactly like handing over cash. Money ham in a link.